Did you know that Jupiter has 79 moons? When we think about the wonders of our solar system, Jupiter often stands out as one of the most intriguing and awe-inspiring celestial bodies. Known as the largest planet in our solar system, Jupiter is not only famous for its massive size and powerful storms like the Great Red Spot but also for its impressive collection of moons. In fact, did you know that Jupiter has a staggering 79 moons? Let's take a journey through this fascinating aspect of our solar system's giant and uncover the mysteries behind these moons. The discovery of Jupiter's moons. The story of Jupiter's moons began over 400 years ago when the great astronomer Galileo Galilei pointed his telescope toward the night sky in 1610. What he saw was nothing short of revolutionary: 4 small stars orbiting around Jupiter. These were not stars at all but the first moons ever discovered beyond Earth. Known today as the Galilean moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto, these 4 moons are still some of the most well-known and studied objects in the solar system. Galileo's discovery was groundbreaking, not only because it revealed that other planets had moons but also because it provided concrete evidence that not everything orbited the Earth. This was a significant piece of evidence supporting the heliocentric model of the solar system, where planets orbit the Sun, not the Earth. A growing family of moons. Since Galileo's time, the number of known moons orbiting Jupiter has grown significantly. The count reached 79 as of the last update, making Jupiter the planet with the most moons in our solar system. But how did we go from just 4 moons to 79? Advancements in telescope technology, space exploration, and continuous observation have led to the discovery of many more moons. These moons range from massive ones like Ganymede, the largest moon in the solar system, even bigger than the planet Mercury, to tiny, irregularly shaped rocks that are barely a few kilometers across. Types of moons around Jupiter. Jupiter's moons can be broadly categorized into 2 types: regular moons and irregular moons. 1. Regular moons. These moons have nearly circular orbits and lie close to Jupiter's equatorial plane. The most famous regular moons are the Galilean moons, Io, Europa, Ganymede, and Callisto. These moons are believed to have formed from the same disk of material that gave birth to Jupiter, making them quite different from the planet's other moons. 2. Irregular moons. Irregular moons are a fascinating bunch. Unlike the regular moons, these have more eccentric orbits, often at significant angles to Jupiter's equator. Most of these moons are much smaller and are thought to be captured objects, such as asteroids or other celestial bodies that were pulled into Jupiter's orbit by its immense gravitational field. The majority of Jupiter's moons fall into this category, and they often orbit far from the planet. The Galilean moons. Jupiter's jewels. The Galilean moons are the crown jewels of Jupiter's moon system. Let's take a closer look at each. 1. Io. Io is the most volcanically active body in our solar system, with over 400 active volcanoes on its surface. The intense gravitational tug-of-war between Jupiter and its neighboring moons generates tremendous internal heat, driving this volcanic activity. 2. Europa. Europa is particularly exciting for scientists because it has a subsurface ocean beneath its icy crust. This ocean, which might contain twice the amount of water found on Earth, makes Europa one of the prime candidates in the search for extraterrestrial life. 3. Ganymede. Ganymede holds the title of the largest moon in the solar system. It's the only moon known to have its magnetic field, and it also has a subsurface ocean, similar to Europa. 4. Callisto. Callisto is the most heavily cratered object in the solar system, with a surface that dates back nearly 4 billion years. Unlike its Galilean siblings, Callisto is geologically inactive, preserving the scars of ancient impacts. Why does Jupiter have so many moons? Jupiter's sheer size and immense gravity play a crucial role in its ability to capture and retain so many moons. As the largest planet in our solar system, Jupiter has a powerful gravitational pull that not only shapes the orbits of its moons but can also capture objects passing by. This gravitational influence extends far beyond what Earth or even Saturn can achieve, allowing Jupiter to host such a large and diverse collection of moons. Moreover, the region around Jupiter, known as the Jovian system, is rich with debris left over from the early solar system. This debris, which consists of rocks, ice, and other materials, has been swept up by Jupiter over billions of years, either forming new moons or being incorporated into existing ones. The future of Jupiter's moons. The exploration of Jupiter and its moons is far from over. Future missions, such as NASA's Europa Clipper, aim to explore these moons in greater detail, particularly Europa, which is a prime candidate for hosting life. Scientists are eager to learn more about the conditions on these moons and what they can tell us about the history and evolution of our solar system. As technology advances, it's likely that more moons will be discovered around Jupiter, adding to its already impressive count. Each new discovery brings us closer to understanding the complex and dynamic system that is the Jovian moons. Jupiter's 79 moons are a testament to the planet's grandeur and its influence in the solar system. From the fiery volcanoes of Io to the potentially life-sustaining oceans of Europa, these moons are as diverse and fascinating as the planet they orbit. As we continue to explore the cosmos, Jupiter and its moons will undoubtedly remain a focal point for discovery and wonder. So, next time you gaze up at the night sky and spot Jupiter shining brightly, remember that you're looking at a world with 79 companions, each with its own story to tell.